Hi everybody, this is Cindy with Cindy Certified Recipes, and today was a very exciting day. We had a brand new Trader Joe's open, grand opening of our second Trader Joe's, and I got to be there at their grand opening, and this is my Trader Joe's haul, and this is the stuff I'm going to use, part of my top-notch ingredients for my recipes, and I wanted to show it to you. And they had everything from great Parmesan cheese to heirloom chickens. This is going to be great in my chicken soup recipe that's going to be coming up. They had really nice organic chicken that I also plan to use in one of my recipes. And they had organic steaks. I got a ribeye and a New York to try. As you know, Trader Joe's has a lot of frozen goods, and some of my favorites are their fried ravioli. They are excellent. And their Alfredo, anything Alfredo over there is awesome. I can also certainly vouch for these gnocchi that are in cheese. They're like macaroni and cheese with gnocchi. I mean, how can you go wrong? Some roasted vegetables. Normally I roast my own, but I saw those as a target of opportunity. You know, everyone gets tired when they cook, so something to have a little easy for just a meal that my husband and I will eat. But that's also organic, and I love their pineapple juice. If you ever use pineapple juice for anything, in my opinion, their pineapple juice is the best. I use it in marinades and drinks. It's awesome. They had really beautiful mangoes that I plan to just chop for us and eat. I love this elderflower soda. It's something different. If you're like me, I go to the store and I get terribly bored with normal stuff. So I'm always looking for stuff that's gets me excited and is out of the normal. So I found the sunflower seed spread. That's just sunflower seeds. And I'm real anxious to try that because sunflower seeds, the oils and the vitamins are very good for you. They had a pretty awesome selection of some fresh herbs that I use a lot. I use a lot of chive, I use a lot of sage, and I use a ton of thyme. So I'm excited about those. They had some really nice sprouts that I like to put in our salads, and those will probably show up in some recipes. And then they had this miso broth. I love miso soup. I have not tried that one, so I'll have to let you know how that one is. I got the organic naan crackers that I'm going to use with that brie cheese over there, so that's going to be awesome. I saw this frosting mix. Normally I always make my frostings from scratch. But it was too curious to pass up, so I'll let you know on that one. One of my favorite spices that I use a lot of is herbes de Provence. And it's very difficult to find a good herbes de Provence, and I always look for one where you actually can see the lavender inside. And this is a goodie, and you can see the lavender in there. So that's a keeper. These are very seasonal, the moon grapes. They're awesome. They're definitely different. They're fun to eat. They don't last long in the stores, but get them while you can. And 4 cheese scallop potatoes. I've not tried these yet either, but as a little side dish again for me and my husband, I normally make all my scallop potatoes from scratch. But on another tired day when I'm doing yard work or something, or shopping, this will be a nice little side dish for us, and it's all natural. None of this stuff has soy in it. I stay away from soy. I love these particular tomatoes because they're less acidic, and they keep a long time. So if you're looking for like a red, super red color of a tomato, these aren't going to give it to you, but in my opinion, they have better flavor. They had some awesome apples. I'm always on the search for nice crispy apples. And I'm also going to give their clam chowder a try. We'll see how that is, and I'll let you know. And they had some really good sugar snap peas. I love to quick fry those up with carrots and onions and makes a nice little veggie side with a protein. And I also picked up their French onion soup, which again I normally make myself, but you know, sometimes we're always too, like I said, looking for something quick and easy. I haven't tried it yet, so I'll let you know. And their vegetable spring rolls I've yet to try. They looked interesting, and gonna give those a try. And of course, I always cook with wine, and they had, you know, Trader Joe's, they have an awesome selection of wine. So I got some here that are some of my favorites. I tend to like a sweet wine, a dry wine. So those are the ones I normally purchase. And they were throwing things in the cart when we walked in for the grand opening. And this ended up being thrown in my cart, which is peanut butter cups. And of course I got this. Everyone was getting one of these when we walked in, and you'll see that in the video. So again, this is my Trader Joe's haul, and just wanted you to see a few of the things. You'll see a lot more in my upcoming video. Thanks for watching.